kitchen and flag. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave she a wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, hit the bell icon. Rose, kitchen and vlog. Tell you.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a simple and delicious and tasty punch, and it's Irish moss / strongback. We are working so hard on our YouTube channel, so we have to make sure we put back some nice juice in our body. Alright, so let's get started. So everyone, here I have 1 can of Irish moss, my nutrament vanilla. If you don't have nutriment, you could also use supplement. I'm going to add in Guinness stout, 18 and under. You could also use Vitamalt. Alright, no liquor. Oatmeal, peanuts. You could also use raw peanuts. Okay, I'm going to add in my vanilla extract, cinnamon and nutmeg. And if you have peanut punch, you use your peanut punch, but I do not have any, so I'm going to use smooth peanut butter. Okay, and you want to add all your ingredients in your blender, and we're going to blend until it's smooth. And everyone, please try this recipe. We all need some strong juice in our body. Alright, all wifey, please make this juice for your husband or your partner, and the husband too, the male. You all could make it for your wife also. And if you do not have any Guinness, you could use the Dragon Stout. And if you are not subscribed to my channel as yet, please hit that subscribe button right now and turn on all notification bell. That's when I upload a new video, you're the first one to get notified. And my people, I just cannot wait to have this punch. So now I'm going to taste to see if it's sweet to my liking. So guys, it didn't sweet to my liking, so I'm going to add some sweet condensed milk.
Fully up and active for your device, and watch out, somebody I represent. Rules, kitchen and you have one. Let me tell you about rules, kitchen and vlog. Everything good.
You could put ice cube if you want to drink right away, or you could let it chill and serve. Please try this recipe. So I just garnish it with some cinnamon powder. Enjoy. So from my kitchen to yours, have a great day. One love. God bless. Bye.
Everybody feeling blessed. Subscribe if you are first time guest. And don't worry, everything curry rose, kitchen and vlog. Everything good, me say nothing do bad. Wave the Jamaican flag. You better subscribe to the vibe that she have. Remember tell you about rose, kitchen and vlog. Everything good, me say nothing.